Hey, what is up, techie people? First of all, thanks to everybody out there for tuning in on Monday. So, for today's episode, I have a phenomenal watch face in the house that is from Urarity Watch Faces. As you know, the guy makes some really awesome animated watch faces, and this one is simply no exception at all. So, the watch face name is Terra Mechanica, available on the Samsung Galaxy apps, and the watch face has some awesome animated gears, machinery, and dials. Further, developer of the watch face has once again provided us his super handy online coupon generator tool that you can check out via the link down in the description. Just head on to the link down. It will take you to a website from where you can generate the coupon code according to your country. And once again, we have just 50 coupon codes per country. So make sure you try your luck as soon as possible because you know the watch faces from Urarity, they are super hot on the Galaxy store. Okay guys, now moving back to the watch face design, here the main highlight of the face are the beautiful themes which are present here with the watch face. Simply you have to double tap here in the center to change all the themes with this design. As you can see now the themes are changing. We have total of 45 different theme options to try out with this Terra Mechanica watch face. We have some darker themes, some bronze themes, and a lot of themes are present here with animated gears and machinery in the background. So do check it out from the Samsung Galaxy apps. This one is a nice one to add in your collection. Further, we have a lot of specific app shortcuts with this watch face. Simply you have to double tap here on these information bars like the step counter to trigger your specific app shortcut menu. You can assign any app just by double tapping on the information bar and single tap to open them up. At the top we can see our digital time here. So if I double tap on it, it will open up the second specific app shortcut menu just for you. In the same way, we have our day present here along with the battery percentage. So do check it out. Now let's see it's always on display mode. Okay guys, so this is how the watch face will look like in its always on display mode, and here you can see overall the watch face is dimmed down to conserve our battery life, but still we can see our time in analog format. And simply you have to just double tap on the display. All the colors will be back along with the animation. Now you can see the beautiful machinery is present here to mesmerize your eyes. So what do you think about this watch face? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.